So guys, I went off camera and I put them on so that you can see how they look, and these are so good. They are so natural. I mean, you can't tell. Look at this. Fantastic. I love them. In fact, you could use them on so many occasions. You could use them when you go out for a dinner. You could use them when you go for brunch. You can use them in the morning also if you're going for breakfast. But there are certain things that I want to share with you with lashes, which a lot of people don't know. Uh, I'm sure the makeup artists and everybody knows that, but there are some people who wear them and they don't know about these things. And I want to share this with you guys. Whenever you go for a function, be it a dinner or be it a wedding, mehndi, brunch, breakfast, always understand the lighting that you're going to be sitting in. So when you do makeup and when you do hair, it's very important for you to understand these things. Same with lashes. Now, if you're going in the morning and there's too much of light over there, you know you're sitting to a person face to face. You want your face to look natural. You want your lashes to look natural. You go with these Invisibands, which will look really nice. Don't use a lot of mascara if you're going for a coffee or if you're going for breakfast out. I would say use a brown mascara or use a transparent mascara. But do not use a black, because a black will make it look bad again and look too much in the morning. The same goes if you are wearing, if you're going for a brunch, and depending on the light of the brunch. If it's a Marriott, if it's a 5-star, a 7-star, always remember the lighting in a hotel is always dim. So if you're going for a lunch and you go with smoky eyes and you put lashes on it, it's going to be a total disaster because the light is dim, your eyes barely show. So when you're sitting around everyone, unless you click a picture, it'll throw light. Otherwise, face to face, it'll just look very, very dull and too much. So the lesser is better. So I would say keep it more cleaner. Put in your lashes, put a dark mascara, like a black mascara if you want to for that time. Or you can also do a very thin liner if you like to. You know, if you are wearing a particular dress that suits that look, then you can do a nice thin liner with it. But keep it lesser. Do not smoke up the eyes too much, guys, because it looks too much. Again, when you're going out for dinner in the night, it's dark, you're wearing something, bling, you want the eyes to look really nice. In that case, when you put your lashes on, instead of smoking it a lot, you can do a little glitter. You can do glitter on the top lid over here because then it gives you a reflection of light at that point. So your eyes don't look sunken, they look bright and open, and they look very nice at the same time in darker light. So guys, these are small things I want you all to understand about lighting wherever you go, a function. If it's a house party and you really want to wear lashes on that time, use individuals. Use the single ones. Don't use the whole strip ones. The individuals, and put a lot of mascara so it looks natural. You can use the wispy ones by Ardell. Ardell has a lot and range of lashes. They are wispy. They have naked ones like that because I've never seen this before. And then they have the individuals. They have single hair also. They have individuals which has 3 hairs on them. So they have like a wide range. And then they had the magnetic ones which I reviewed with you, which were really nice. So they have a huge range of lashes. So try them, guys. They also have something which is also called like a C curl, depending on the curl pattern that you want. You know, the curl that you want, they even have those in them. So I'm going to show you those also in one of the videos and review them with you so you know what they look like. And so that's all about lashes, and I've explained to you how to wear them, where to wear them, and on what occasion to wear them, the lighting, the dress that you wear. Take everything into consideration and then make a decision of which style, which lash, which kind of look you want. You know, you want it lifted up in the corners. Like you see these ones that I've applied, I haven't put the liner here, but if I put a liner here, it will blend totally. So I have just put them. So what they have done, they have given me an illusion of my eyes going outwards. And that's exactly what most of the people want. Some people don't like the outwards, they like it more inwards. So then you bring the lash more inwards and put it. So these are small things that you can change into, and I'm sure, guys, you will love doing this. And so I'll leave now with all this information that I've given you. So you take care and you be safe, guys, because we know that it's bad outside with this pandemic. So be safe, take care of yourselves. And once everything is over, go to the shop, pick up the lashes and try them on, guys. I'm sure you will love them. You have any queries about them, please DM me and I will review them with you. Take care and have a good day.